In this video I will show you how to change the app name of a custom Frappe application. We will cd into the bench directory. We can use ls command to check the available apps in this bench directory. Now we will create new application using bench new app command. Here I am giving app name as name_change. We will add the rest of the information, but we can also skip this part if you want. Here I have added name as description. Publisher YouTube. For email I will add dummy email. We will give MIT as license and create a GitHub workflow to maintain the version. Now we have successfully created a new custom app in this Frappe bench. We will check the app directory by using ls command. Now we can see our newly created app is there inside the apps directory. Now we will install this application in our site. After this we will run the bench migrate command. Now we will refresh the site and check the application name by clicking on the About button. Now we have the name change application with version 0.0.1 on our site. Now we will open the hooks.py file in Vim editor. This hooks.py file will be inside your newly created application, name_change. This Python file contains the variables app_name and app_title, which can be updated with custom values as desired. We will be changing the app_name value with YouTube tutorial. And app_title with YouTube app. Now we will run bench build command to build the application. This process takes some time. Please wait. Now we will refresh the site and check the installed apps list by clicking on the About button from the drop-down list of Help. Now we can see the changes name is reflected in the installed apps list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more Frappe Framework related videos.